Well, this is our camp. Sunday morning. Looks like it's going to be a very nice day. We got a really nice beach. Day number 2. We're going to be heading east up towards South Cove and Sandy Point. Well, we got glass water. It couldn't get any better than this. We're approaching the turn up to Greg's Basin. We're at about 143 feet here right at the turn. That's looking up Greg's Basin with Sandy Point up there about 8 miles. It's going to be a smooth crossing. We've had our butts kicked here many, many times with unbelievable roller waves. We're at South Cove. Directly ahead of us are 2 dirt launch ramps. Okay, we're on Sandy Point on the south side. We're gonna attempt to walk over and at least see the other side. We're walking from the south side of Sandy Point to the north side of Sandy Point to get a vantage point. We're gonna try to see if we can see down Iceberg Canyon, which we really haven't seen for several years. Okay, this is overwhelming for me. Looking north, we used to boat over this at an average depth of I'm gonna say at least 100 feet, and we used to go straight up there. Probably about 5 miles away is Iceberg Canyon, which was absolutely spectacular. Now that we're closer to the river, it appears that the river is probably flowing about 6 or 7, maybe 10 miles an hour at this point. And then it flows out to Lake Mead. The Grand Canyon mouth is probably about 12 miles from here, but I'm right here standing at the water's edge. So awesome to see. But literally, Lori and I for years used to boat over this whole area and camp right around the corner. Little Burrow Bay. It's beautiful back here, but boy, the water, I just can't believe what kind of difference it is. I mean, the water has to be down 150 feet, right, Lori? Look at that. I mean, even more than 150 feet. It's incredible. And if you look at the depth gauge here, it's real spiky, so there's some big spikes underneath us that we have to be careful about, but they seem to be about 40 feet under us.